Dakilang alalay lang daw ako, pinuna ang kulay ng balat ko, pati ang mga damit ko. Ginawang meme na viral sa social media. They say the Senate is like the stage where every move is scrutinized under glaring light. So I came out with not one, but 2 books about bullying and the philosophy on niceness and treating other people with respect and love. I am grateful for all the criticism, both the deserved and uncalled for. I am also thankful to the Filipino people that has afforded me the opportunity to prove myself. I wish to thank my colleagues, past and present, as a neophyte who belonged in the minority in 2013, to my staff, who have kept me company on this journey like a family. We have gone through the ups and downs and sideward lurches of work amid ever-changing times. I am glad that I have been able to call upon you. I am confident that from here on, you will continue to make a difference wherever you choose to serve. My actual family have served as my compass and shield in the 12 years I have served here and beyond. To my ex-boyfriend and to my children, thank you for sharing me with our people and understanding that I cannot be a full-time mom because of my other responsibilities. I leave these halls not with a heart that is heavy from regrets, but a heart made full by many kindnesses that I have encountered. Hindi ako nawawalan ng pag-asa ng ang Senado ay mananatiling haligi ng kalayaan na masasandigan ng taong bayan. Salamat sa pagiging bahagi ng yugtong ito ng buhay ko at sana magkakaroon pa din tayo ng pagkakataon na magtulungan para naman sa lungsod na pamumunuan ko. Muli po, maraming salamat.